currently active in the informal sector through product innovation and bottom-up enrollment strategies at the grassroots level. Ladies and gentlemen, we made a commitment to our dear citizens who are elderly, orphaned, and those who live with severe disability that they shall receive their social protection stipends before public servants, including the President, receive their salaries. We have kept our word and delivered on this commitment. Consequently, all the 1,200,000 eligible beneficiaries now receive their stipends on time before we are all paid as public servants. We have, however, allocated an additional 2 billion shillings for newly enrolled beneficiaries who are undergoing verification at the moment, and we will begin to disburse their stipends by 1st March next year. This program has had challenges with the beneficiaries traveling long distances and spending considerable portions of their stipend on logistics. Working with Safaricom, we have structured a new delivery mechanism for all our stipend-earning beneficiaries to receive their stipends from M-Pesa agents in their localities. Orphans and persons living with severe disability will begin using this new mechanism this month in a few days. The elderly will, however, start in January because the process is being finalized. I commend Safaricom for demonstrating corporate patriotism and providing this service free of charge. Ndugu wa Kenya, Kenyans are doing their part to support the effort to stabilize and grow our economy. Their sacrifices and contributions are essential and must be honored. We are therefore taking strong measures to ensure that all